Well, we got the hatches. One more coat and they'll be done. We've still got to paint the rudders. The green, we decided we're just going to leave the top part of it all white rather than add the gray to it. And that's where we're at. Okay, we're getting ready to cut the little strips like these here. They're out of neoprene pad that I got at Amazon. It's natural rubber, and use it to help seal the hatches. We'll put them on put the strip on the hatch, and sort of like what we're doing right here, or going to do. And then the combing, yeah, we're going to use contact cement to put that on. And it should hit the top of the combing and help seal it a little bit. I doubt if it'll be perfect. Yeah, you can get this or something just like it just almost anywhere. Okay, been doing a little bit of work today. We've got the bow eye. This is all on just this one hull. We've got the other hull to do. We've got the boot stripe on. We've got the rubber pads for the ACAs installed on all 4 of them, glued on. The hatch covers are down. I still haven't got a way to secure them yet. We're still working on that. That's coming in another day or 2. And anyhow, that's it. Another slow day. Hi, I'm in the forward stateroom right now. It's a little smaller than I remembered when we were building it. Okay, well, like I said, it was either the stateroom or the head, and I don't think it's going to work for either one. That's all. Well, we just realized that we drilled all the holes and measured all these in the Lexan here.
And didn't share it with you.
And didn't share it. So this is a simulation of what we would have done had we thought to do that. Anyhow, made a little block with our how far we're wanting them to stand out in the edge. Not a big deal. Marked all the way around.
2 1/4 inches.
Yeah, this is 2 1/4 here, 2 1/2 on the ends on these particular ones. We just went to the middle, roughly the middle. I mean, it's pretty close. Anyhow, we've got a fence here. The bit is out exactly the distance from the fence to where we wanted this, okay? And that was all the excitement that was, but you'd be surprised how long that takes. It really took us a long time.
Yeah.
In any case.
We did, this time, for the bigger windows, we did both of them at once.
Yeah.
Because we
cut down on the number of holes.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
is, yeah, go ahead.
Well, double-sided taped them together.
Yeah.
So we could do both of them at once.
Yeah. Okay, that's all, folks. And this is what we decided how we're going to permanently put these windows in. A little bit of masking tape. This board up here keeps them in alignment. And we measured this little block here out to the edge. What do you think? Look good to you? Looks good to us. We're tired of messing with it. Well, we got the windows, port lights, whatever you want to call them, installed in this hull.
Starboard hull.
And she's got Coke bottle green eyes. I'll zoom in
Final
here.
installation.
Yeah.
For this one.
This is the forward port light. We've got white butyl tape underneath the Lexan there. And it sealed really well. I was happy with that. And this is the aft port light that is actually in the cabin part. Well, I guess that's the cabin part up there too, but this is the one you get in and out of. And there's some leftover butyl tape.
That's what it looked like before.
Yeah, that's a before picture. This is after. Later.